Hi, beautiful people. How are you all doing? I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much for joining me. The next song I'm about to react to is by ANKUDINOVA. This very song, I've reacted to it before. I'm not reacting to it. I just want to dance to it for the fun of it. I love this song. I love this song. Oh my god, then I'm a fan. Turn off the music. I am turn off the volume. Turn it off. See guys, if you want to put me in the mood when I'm sad, when I'm down, when I'm moody, just want to get me out of that mood, play this song for me. I've listened to this song over and over again. This is not my first time reacting to it, but guess what? I can never get tired of it. This is my favorite of all the Diana's performance in the Max show. This is my favorite, hands down. See, there's a subtitle to the song. I've never for one day taken out time to listen to it, to read it, to see what the song is all about, because each time I'm listening to it, even when I'm not reacting to it, I'm always carried away. I'm not patient enough to read through. I don't know how she did it, but the song is magical. Very fast. I'm intoxicated each time I listen to this song. Whoever that advised Diana to perform this song on the Mass show did her well. Diana won my heart over with this song. I enjoyed every bit of it. How she created rhythm with her vocals from start to finish. It was amazing. I hope I had fun watching this video as much as I did. See you on the next one. Please support your girl by watching, liking and subscribing. That's the only way you can support me. I need all the support I can get. Bye bye.